Hi everyone, I'm Kate here and welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Facebook account. If you change your mind and you wanna continue using your recently deleted Facebook account, you are at the right place, so don't miss the video and watch till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have proper internet connection on your device. After that, make sure that your Facebook app is installed on your device. Now go ahead and open Facebook app on your device. Now when you are directed to this login page of Facebook, you have to remember your email or phone number that you have used while creating your deleted Facebook account, and then you have to remember your password. With all of those, type your email and your password. If you have forgotten your password, you must remember your email so that you can recover your password again. Now type your email and your password and simply tap on login. Now once you tap on login, again you will see a prompt that says, do you want to continue using Facebook? When you see that, again if you tap on yes, continue to Facebook, you will be directly logged into your recently deleted Facebook account. But here's one thing, in order to recover your Facebook account, you must have performed that activity within a month. When you cross a month or say 2 months, 3 months, then you will not be able to reactivate your Facebook account. Facebook can't help you with that, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.